Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best popcorn machines available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're gearing up for movie nights, parties, or just looking for the perfect snacking companion, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the Nostalgia Popcorn Maker with a 2.5-ounce kettle. If you're looking for something compact yet stylish, this vintage-style popcorn machine is a fantastic choice. It can churn out up to 10 cups of popcorn in one batch, making it ideal for smaller gatherings or cozy movie nights at home. The built-in stirring system ensures even popping, while the tempered safety glass adds a layer of durability and safety. In terms of design, Nostalgia nails the retro aesthetic with this machine. Its charming red finish and compact cart-style build make it a statement piece for any kitchen or entertainment area. The kettle is easy to remove and clean, and the included measuring scoop simplifies the preparation process. However, with a smaller 2.5-ounce capacity, this machine is better suited for light use rather than large parties. The trade-off here is between style and functionality. While it's not the most powerful machine on this list, it's perfect for those who prioritize aesthetics and enjoy occasional popcorn-making sessions. Pros include its charming design and ease of use, while cons are its smaller capacity and less robust build compared to higher-end models. If you're someone who values style and simplicity, this popcorn maker is a great pick. At number 4, we have the Vaver Commercial Popcorn Machine. This machine is built for productivity, featuring an 8-ounce kettle and the ability to produce up to 48 cups of popcorn per batch. With 850 watts of power, it's fast, efficient, and perfect for larger gatherings, concession stands, or even sports events. The 3-switch control system, warmer, stirrer, and pot heater, streamlines operation, ensuring your popcorn stays warm and fresh until it's ready to serve. The design emphasizes durability and functionality. The steel frame and tempered glass panels not only look professional, but also promise long-lasting use. Cleaning is made easy with detachable components like the crumb tray and wing nuts on the kettle lid. This machine also includes thoughtful accessories like scoops and spoons, making it ready to use straight out of the box. However, at nearly 29 pounds, it's not the most portable option on the list. In terms of value, the Vaver popcorn machine offers fantastic performance at a mid-range price point. It's ideal for those who need high capacity and durability without splurging on a premium model. Pros include its robust build and high yield, while cons are its heavier weight and bulkier size. If you need a reliable workhorse for popcorn production, this machine is a solid contender. At number 3, we have the Nostalgia Professional Cart Popcorn Machine with an 8-ounce kettle. If you're looking to level up your popcorn game, this machine delivers with its ability to produce up to 32 cups of popcorn in one batch. It's perfect for movie nights, parties, or events where you need to keep the popcorn flowing. The tempered safety glass windows ensure durability, while the large stainless steel kettle comes with a dual-hinged lid and kernel stirring system for consistent popping. The vintage cart design is a standout feature, combining fun and function. It offers storage space for popcorn supplies, making it practical as well as stylish. Cleaning is a breeze, thanks to the removable kettle and easy-to-access components. However, its larger size and 9.9-pound weight mean it's best suited as a stationary appliance rather than a portable option. This machine strikes a great balance between capacity and aesthetic appeal. Pros include its generous output, unique design, and nostalgic charm, while cons are its larger footprint and slightly higher price. If you're looking for a popcorn machine that's as eye-catching as it is functional, the Nostalgia Professional Cart is a fantastic choice. Coming in at number 2, we have the Westben Stir Crazy Popcorn Popper, which is our budget-friendly option. Priced at just $89.99, this machine offers incredible value for its compact design and reliable performance. With a 4-quart capacity, it's perfect for small households, game nights, or quick movie night snacks. The motorized stirring rod ensures that most kernels pop evenly, while the built-in kernel catcher tray collects the unpopped kernels for a better snacking experience. The design is compact and user-friendly, with a quick-release lever that makes serving effortless. The non-stick stainless steel kettle simplifies cleaning, and the included measuring tool ensures you get the perfect batch every time. Its lightweight build also makes it easy to store and transport. However, it's not designed for large-scale popcorn production, so those with bigger crowds might find its output limiting. For its price, the Westben Stir Crazy Popper delivers solid performance and convenience. Pros include its affordability, ease of use, and compact design, while cons are its smaller capacity and less robust build compared to higher-priced options. If you're on a budget but still want movie theater-style popcorn at home, this machine is a no-brainer. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the Pop Heaven Popcorn Machine by Great Northern Popcorn Company. This premium popcorn maker is a marvel of design and functionality, featuring a 12-ounce stainless steel kettle and the capacity to produce up to 80 cups of popcorn in one batch. Whether you're hosting a party, running a fundraiser, or just want the ultimate movie night experience, this machine has you covered. The reject kernel tray, warming deck, and 3-switch control system ensure perfectly popped, fresh popcorn every time. The build quality is second to none, with tempered glass food zones and painted metal components for durability and safety. Despite its larger size and weight, it's surprisingly easy to clean. Just wipe down the interior and detach the included components. Speaking of which, it comes with an impressive set of accessories, including measuring cups, scoops, buckets, salt shakers, and 50 popcorn bags, so you're ready to serve right out of the box. While it's the most expensive machine on the list, its performance, build quality, and output make it worth every penny. Pros include its high capacity, premium materials, and thoughtful accessories, while its cons are its higher price and bulkier size. If you're serious about popcorn and want the best in the business, the Pop Heaven Popcorn Machine is your ultimate choice. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Happy popcorn making, and see you in the next video.